Hi, today I'm in front of you Realme 10 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and now we should scroll to sounds and vibration. If you want to turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode, just click on the switcher. To set the schedule, the start and the end time, we can make it here. Just click to this plus icon, just rename it for the start time, the end time and repeated time every day, and just you can select each of the day separately if you want. Let's go back here. If you want to allow calls, notifications, messages from no one, anyone, contacts, start contacts, so you can make it here. To use the D&D for ring for repeated calls and to mute media in don't disturb mode, you can use these two switchers. Go back here to change the sound mode to the vibration or silent mode. Just switch it by this way. We can see when the silent mode is activated, our ringtones and notifications, they are muted. When we'll just unmute our ringtone volume panel, we can see that the silent mode automatically changed to the ring mode. Here on this volume panels, we can also change media, ringtone, notifications and alarm sounds just by slide to the left or to the right side this dot. To change ringtone and notification sound, we can make it here, and in vibration section we can turn on or turn off the vibration on ring, and in haptics and tones we can use the system haptics, dial pad tones, screen lock and lock sounds, screenshot sounds, deletion and touch sounds. So just to turn them on or turn them off, we should click on each of the switchers. And in also we get here real sound technology section. We can change it from the smart to movie, game and music. Go back, and in advanced settings we can change volume button function. Now we have selected the media volume, and by use volume up or volume down button here on the right side, now we'll change the media volume, and when we'll switch it to the ringtone volume, let's press it and we can see that here we got the ringtone volume panel. Also you can change default recorder settings from auto select to the add-on, and you can use in-ear monitoring settings here. So that's it. That's all of the sound settings on our Realme device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.